Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Google Earth together with Google Maps in 2026. If you want to explore places in 3 dimensions, plan trips, view satellite imagery, or switch between Earth and Maps features, yeah, this full guide will walk you through everything step by step. Before we start, it helps to know the difference between the two apps. Google Maps is mainly for navigation and finding places, while Google Earth focuses more on satellite views, 3-dimensional exploration, and immersive map visuals. First, open Google Earth in your browser or mobile app. Make sure you're signed into your Google account if you want to save projects or sync locations between devices. Now use the search bar to find any city, landmark, or address. Once you search, Google Earth will smoothly zoom into the location using satellite imagery. Honestly, it still looks pretty cool. If you want directions or live traffic info, open the same place in Google Maps. You can usually copy the address or search for the exact same location in Maps for navigation features. One really useful trick is combining Google Earth satellite views with Google Maps Street View, so you can explore an area from above first, then jump down to street level for a more realistic look. You can also create custom projects in Google Earth. Click the Projects option to add locations, photos, notes, and routes. This is super useful for travel plans, school projects, or presentations. Another feature you might like is the measurement tool. You can measure distances between locations or even calculate the size of an area directly on the map. If you save places while signed into your Google account, many of those locations can also appear inside Google Maps under your saved places. This makes switching between both tools a lot easier. And yeah, don't forget you can tilt and rotate the map in Google Earth to explore cities and landmarks in full 3 dimensions. I mean, it's probably the closest thing to virtual travel without leaving home. So that's the full guide on using Google Earth with Google Maps in 2026. Once you combine both tools together, you get navigation, satellite imagery, street view, and custom projects all in one workflow.